was kind of cool today. You know, it seemed like it wanted to rain at times really hard, but it never really did. There were just a few sprinkles out there.
It was hit and miss all day long. You can blame me because I washed my car. So.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so, you know, we did have some spectacular photos, though, Jeff, sent in to us by you, the viewer. In fact, temperatures actually, wrong map popping up there, but temperatures in general, you know, not looking too shabby, in the 40s outside right now. So, if you're, you know, it's going to be a chilly night ahead, but, you know, not looking all that bad. It's definitely going to be colder tonight than we've seen in quite some time, so something to keep in mind. Now let's take a look at some of those viewer photos sent in to us by you. Thanks so much for sending these in and thinking of us. This one, a tree in bloom with some birds in it. Janae sending that one in from Kaiser. Also this one coming in to us from Amanda Parson, a view from the top of Beacon Rock today. Just a spectacular photo there. And Bob O'Brien sending this picture in at Seal Rock today. Definitely a sign of some changes rolling in, the clearing skies there off the coast. Now, what you can expect as you go through your Monday, temperatures out the door will be in the 40s. We're there right now. We're going to cool down a few more degrees, and then by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll be into the mid-40s once again. Mostly sunny by noon and a sunny and breezy finish. Some of our warm spots on our pinpoint weather net today, 71 degrees in Ontario. Jordan Valley at the Rome State Airport, 67 degrees. And 64 degrees there at Hermiston. Our statewide numbers, the rest of them, not all that warm here in the I-5 corridor. 72 there for Medford. Otherwise, 50s up and down the I-5 corridor, except for 63 at Eugene and 50s for the coast as well. And outside at this 11 o'clock hour, we're talking about temperatures in general in the 40s, and we'll cool into the upper 30s to low 40s as we go through the next several hours. 49 at this hour for Corvallis, 41 for Bend. A lot of these radar echoes are actually birds that are being picked up by it, so really no real showers left. In fact, we've got drier air beginning to move in. This ridge of high pressure, we've been talking about it all week. It's starting to finally nudge in here. As it does so, it's going to bring us much warmer and drier weather for the week ahead. So really going to be a great week. Now, once we get through these low clouds tonight and early tomorrow, watch what happens. There are the morning clouds tomorrow, and then everything clears off. And that's because that east wind's going to start kicking up out of the gorge. And we'll see maybe some high clouds on Tuesday as a little weak disturbance passes by to our east. But in general, we're talking about a very sunny and warm week ahead. In fact, your weather headlines, as we go through our Monday, some morning clouds, otherwise turning sunny and breezy, especially near the gorge. Tuesday through Friday, mostly sunny skies. We'll be in the 70s on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then it looks like Thursday and Friday, upper 60s to near 70. Now, next weekend, we're going to have to watch very closely. Our forecast tools are completely divided as to what happens next weekend. Now, out along the coast and for the valley, areas of morning clouds and patchy fog, otherwise becoming sunny and breezy for both locations. In the 60s, even out along the coast tomorrow. Central and eastern Oregon becoming sunny and a breezy afternoon there as well. Tonight's lows down into the 20s and 30s. For the Cascades, becoming sunny there. The freezing level in the afternoon up to 6,000 feet. And east winds kicking up in the afternoon west of Cascade Locks, gusts there to 35 miles per hour. Areas of morning clouds, otherwise sunny and breezy in the afternoon. 65 for Beaverton. Zooming over to the east side after morning lows, upper 30s to low 40s. We'll all top out in the 65 to right about 67 range. And here in the Portland, the Columbia and Clark counties, 64 to right about 65 degrees after morning lows in the upper 30s to low 40s. 70s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and at this point looks like Thursday. Maybe a touch cooler on Friday. And I was mentioning to you earlier, Jeff, that literally our forecast tools are divided down the middle between wet and cool next weekend and warm and sunny. So we're going to have to, Sally, Bruce, and I will be watching that through this
You're
week.
rolling the dice.
That's right.
Okay.
Let's throw the dart at the dartboard and see what it comes up on.
Yeah, I knew you had something scientific back there.